Hello everyone, today we have a Mr. Pankaj Mistry. He having total 40 years of experience. He is a Chief Skill Coordinator in Kaushalya, the Skill University, and he is a HOD of the School of Drone as well. So today's agenda of the interview is to know about thoughts of education. So let's begin with the interview, sir. My first question is to you. When you first came to the university, what was your vision for the university?
Actually, I joined university at a very early stage. It was a clear mandate to us to devise all the programs in alignment with the new education policy of education with the skill, and that is reflected in the new education policy 2020 also. And I'm glad we have devised all the programs imbibing all the major policy initiatives of new education policy 2020. All the programs are aligned to the NEP 2020. All the programs has more than 50% of the skill contents. All the program has multiple entry and multiple exit options to the students, as well as all the programs are credit based in alignment with the future academic bank of credit.
Okay, that's great vision you having, sir. So my second question is to you, sir. Being the HOD of School of Drones, what you visualize the future of student in this particular drone sector?
Yes, drone is a emerging sector. It is perceived that drone has an application in the defense or policing, but it is not the fact. Drone has a very wide application, right from the agriculture sector, logistic, mining, policing, and even health sector also. It will disrupt. I'll say it is a disruptive technology. It will change many things in the years to come. And the students who will be pursuing these courses will have ample opportunities. If we take an example of only agriculture sector, the things which were done manually in a week or a month, that task can be completed with the help of the drone very efficiently and very productively in a few hours only. So with that, and particularly in agriculture sector, there will be a huge demand for drones. When demand for the drone will increase, actual requirement of drone will increase, which will necessitate the person with the ability to manufacture and assemble the drone, service the drone. Similarly, there will be huge applications for the drones in other sectors, like in the surveying, in the policing, in the data processing. So that will also require specific type of the persons for that sector. So that will generate a lot of other requirement. And considering all this requirement, Kaushalya, the Skill University, has devised certain programs which addresses requirement of whole drone value chain. We have devised program for drone manufacturing and assembly. That's a 3-month program. We have a program for drone data processing and analytics that will help students in the analysis of the data and subsequently using that analytics for various decision makings. Then we have a program, long duration program of drone manufacturing and programming. That one program is of a postgraduate diploma level, 1-year duration program, and another is 2-year duration program, postgraduate MSc level, MSc in drone manufacturing and programming. To cater to this all requirement, Kaushalya, the Skill University, is specifically has devised a unique model wherein we are offering training simultaneously, training along with the manufacturing. We are creating a special drone mantra lab for this purpose, where complete drone manufacturing facility will be there. Along, we plan to manufacture around 100 drones, and while we manufacture the drone, simultaneously students of the both these postgraduate programs, they will also pursue that program in a real world situation of manufacturing drone.
Okay, great, sir. So my last question is to you, sir. What are the USP of the university and what are the advantage student can have after completing their study from this current university?
I'll mention very few important things. Kaushalya Skill University is the only university who is offering all the programs with the embedded apprenticeship. So our one of the USP is our all programs are with the formal apprenticeship. It's the when I'm saying the apprenticeship is a formal apprenticeship. It will be by contract, and students will undergo apprenticeship on all working hours of a particular industries, and it will be for all the working days of a organization. Say if an organization is working 5 days a week, then the student will also undergo 5 days in a week. And for a complete year, if an apprenticeship program is of 1 year, then a student will also undergo apprenticeship for a complete year. So industries will have an opportunity to offer them on the job training. If students are undergoing a complete 1 year or 6 months of the apprenticeship, then they will be assigned some work, actual work, and industry or organization can put faith on them and assign the actual work. That will increase the confidence of the student, as well as they will get insight into the practical aspects of the particular jobs. So that is one USP. Second USP of the Kaushalya Skill University is all the programs are with the multiple entry and multiple exit options. In many cases, it happens that students may not complete the complete program. Suppose students could complete only 1 year of the program. The 1 year will not go wastage. He will get a certificate. If he completes a 2 year of the program, he will get at least a diploma. And if students completes the complete program, he will get a degree. So there are multiple entry and exit options available, and that will be aligned to the academic bank of credit also. So students, if cannot complete a program at our university, and if he or she opts to go through the another program at some other place, he or she can encase the credit and pursue further study at place of his liking also. So that is another USP of the university. And third and last, Kaushalya Skill University is the only university which is a DGCA approved remote pilot training organization. We offer a drone pilot training program also to the students, and probably this is the only university offering such kind of programs.
Oh, that is great USPs of the Kaushalya Skill University, sir. So now I would like to conclude the interview. Thank you so much for the all informations. It is very helpful for the all students and the parents. Thank you for the interview, sir.
Thank you.